welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located on 178th Street. Today I have a 2022 Lexus RX 350 in ultra white. This is the F Sport Series 3. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. You have 18-inch alloy wheels and keyless entry. Inside is a circuit red leather interior with your 8-way power seats. Beside your steering wheel is your controls for automatic high beam, trunk, heated steering wheel, and others. Over on your door panel is your memory seating, power windows, doors, and side mirrors. You have a leather F Sport steering wheel with paddle shifters, lane assist, audio controls, cruise control, your dashboard, infotainment center that can be controlled from the touchpad, your audio and Bluetooth controls along with your dual climate control, push to start, heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as your wireless charger, touchpad, and mode selector. Up here are your sunroof controls with your touch-sensitive lights and sunglasses holder, a spacious center console. In your back middle console is your cup holders as well as an extra compartment. In the front are your heated seats for the back, automatic folding and reclining rear seats on either side, automatic liftgate. Over on your right is the controls to fold down the rear seats, and under the carpet is your spare tire, along with your automatic closing liftgate. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton, where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.